Dyson Cool CF1 Desk Fan Review, Best Premium Desk Fan for Home and Office Use. In this video, I'm reviewing the Dyson Cool CF1 Desk Fan to find out whether its powerful airflow, quiet operation, bladeless design, and smart controls actually justify paying a premium price. And the Dyson Cool CF1 is tagged with this video, so you can check the product directly while watching and compare the current price and available options. Starting with cooling performance, Dyson says the CF1 can deliver around 97 gallons of airflow per second. Its air multiplier technology draws in surrounding air and amplifies it up to 13 times, producing a smooth and consistent stream of air without exposed spinning blades. One important thing to understand is that this is a fan, not an air conditioner. It doesn't refrigerate the air or lower your room's actual temperature like an AC. Instead, the high-velocity airflow helps you feel cooler, making it useful for a desk, bedroom, home office, or other medium-sized space. Noise performance is one of its biggest strengths. Dyson rates the CF1 at approximately 42 decibels at maximum and just 29 decibels in quiet mode. There's also a dedicated sleep mode that reduces noise and dims the display, which could make this a particularly attractive option for bedrooms. You also get 70-degree oscillation along with manual tilt adjustment, allowing you to direct airflow toward your preferred position. Another advantage is smart control. The CF1 works with the My Dyson app, allowing you to control supported functions from your smartphone. Voice control is also available through compatible smart home services. Power consumption is surprisingly modest for the airflow on offer. Dyson specifies a maximum fan mode power draw of just 30 watts, thanks to its brushless DC motor. The bladeless design also makes everyday maintenance easier. There aren't conventional fan blades or complicated front grills to clean, so you can simply wipe the exterior surfaces when dust builds up. But there are some disadvantages. The most obvious one is price. You're paying considerably more than you would for many conventional desk fans. You're primarily paying for Dyson's design, quieter operation, smooth airflow, smart features, and premium construction rather than dramatically different basic functionality. Also, despite the name cool, remember again that the CF1 doesn't provide refrigerated cooling. If your room itself is extremely hot and your goal is to actually reduce its temperature, you'll still need an air conditioner or another appropriate cooling solution. Here's a pro tip. Don't automatically run the CF1 at maximum speed. Position the fan properly, enable oscillation when you want wider coverage, and use a lower speed when you're sitting close to it. You can often get comfortable airflow with significantly less noise. So, is the Dyson Cool CF1 worth buying? If you want a premium desk fan with strong airflow, extremely quiet operation, sleep mode, smart app controls, oscillation, low power consumption, and Dyson's clean bladeless design, the CF1 is a compelling option for a bedroom or home office. But if your only priority is moving as much air as possible for the lowest price, there are much cheaper conventional fans that can do the basic job. Overall, I'd recommend the Dyson Cool CF1 to buyers who value quiet performance, design, convenience, and smart functionality enough to justify the premium price. The Dyson Cool CF1 is tagged with this video, so check the tagged product to see the current price and decide whether it's worth the premium for your setup. If you found this review helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which cooling product you want me to review next.